Hi, this is Tony from New Dimension, and we're going to see how red wine stains can be prevented. This is a 92% polyester and 8% linen fabric. It's called a performance fabric, but it does have linen in it, and red wine stains can happen on these fabrics, so we'll get a little bit of wine on both sides. Let's actually work it in a little bit because no one ever just gets a little drop on their furniture, so we'll work it in a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and try to blot it off and see how it fares. So as we start to blot it off, you always want to blot, don't scrub or don't rub. And there we have a little bit of a mark stuff left in the middle. We'll have to try to clean that out later. Let's try the other side here. We'll blot this one off, and that one has a little bit of a mark, actually hardly any of a mark left in the middle. The left fabric, you can guess, was treated with the Luxe fabric protector, and the right side was not. There's a bit of a stain on the right side. This left side looks just about gone. It's got a little bit of a wet spot in the middle. We'll probably just try to just touch it up a little bit with a special spot cleaner, and we'll just spray a little bit on there. And again, you just blot. It's more of an encapsulation cleaner, so you can blot, lightly rub, do not scrub. There, it's gone. And then on the right-hand side, that's a bit of a stain. We'll try to blot it off. You're probably going to have to use more of a peroxide-based bleach to try to get that out. So just remember, protect your fabrics with Luxe fabric protection and call New Dimension Cleaning and Protection.